Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something exciting to unbox. I've been wanting to get a mini portable speaker and finally here is it, the Tribit StormBox Mini. Super excited to unbox this and see if it's really good as people say. Before we dive into the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the specifications of Tribit StormBox Mini to see what this portable speaker has to offer. Now, let's check out some of its key features that makes this mini speaker stand out. 360-degree surround sound, crystal clear audio and deep bass, dual 6W neodymium drivers, built-in X bass and passive radiator, and 360 degrees immersive sound experience. Another is 12-hour battery life, long-lasting power, up to 12 hours playtime at 60% volume, fast charging in just 2.5 hours Type-C, perfect for home and outdoor adventures. Third, Bluetooth 5.4 and aux input, seamless connectivity, Bluetooth 5.4, 30 meters or 100 feet in range, aux input for wired connection, and roam freely while staying connected. It's IPX7 waterproof, which means adventure-ready design, IPX7 waterproof and dust-proof, safe from rain, spills, and splashes, and enjoy music anywhere worry-free. Lastly, dynamic LED lighting, music that moves. LED lights sync with your tunes, create a mesmerizing visual experience, and adds excitement to every beat. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. We have here user manual, basic guide on how to use the speaker, a USB Type-C cable for charging, and the Tribit StormBox Mini speaker, the star of the show. Wow, this actually looks premium and well built. It's compact but feels durable. The Tribit StormBox Mini features a premium fabric mesh body, giving it a stylish yet rugged feel while enhancing grip and sound projection. Here's the power button, turns the speaker on and off. Bluetooth button for quick pairing. This is the dynamic LED lighting, changes with the music. And charging port Type-C and aux input for wired connection options. Let's charge it up. Here's are some important things to remember. Battery less than 20%, the white light of the power button blinks. While charging, the red indicator light stays on. And for fully charged, which is 2.5 hours charging, the red light turns off. Time to pair it. Let's see how fast it connects. Go to phone settings, enable Bluetooth, and select Tribit StormBox Mini. That was super quick and smooth, no delays at all. Let's check out the sound quality. Let me play a non-copyright song from VLLO editor. The bass is deep, vocals are clear, and even at high volume it doesn't distort. Pretty impressive for a mini speaker. This plus button increases volume, minus button decreases volume, and this circle is multifunction. You press once for pause and play, press twice for next track, and press 3 times for previous track. I absolutely love using this during my workout sessions. Its compact size makes it super easy to carry around, and the powerful sound keeps me pumped and motivated. Whether it's cardio or weight training, this speaker delivers. Definitely a great buy. So is the Tribit StormBox Mini worth it? Absolutely. For its size, it delivers great sound, long battery life, and even waterproofing, all at a affordable price. If you want to grab one, I'll leave the shop link in the video description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and unboxing. See you in the next video.